G'day fuckheads. Today we're showing you how it's done to remove a fucking air conditioning unit. Now you fuckwits might think, oh, you gotta get a fucking plumber, air condition, bullshit. Hammer, chisel. Now, some dickheads might think a chisel is to chisel wood. You're wrong, dickhead. It's to take out nails. Now I'm gonna show you how it's done. Now, what we call in the trade is we locate the fixing point, the anchor point. For all you fuckwits that don't know what I'm talking about, it's where it's nailed in, right? So quite easy. Get the chisel. Now, what I'm going to show you is cockheads. Oh, it's stuck. I can't get it out. Very simple. The old seesaw technique. Oh, fuck. Bit of plaster broke. Doesn't matter. You got to break some eggs to make your cake, don't you? There's no point crying about it. Hammer the shit in. Knock it. Okay, now let's have a bit of a Captain Cook here. We bend it. No point reusing this. This is fucking stuck. Oh, you arsehole. Oops. Didn't see that happening. Oh, be right, here we go. That's it. Just sweep it in. It's okay, no problems. Now what the fuck's going on here? Fucking hell. Yeah. Fucking tools over there. That's straight through. That's as clean as a fucking whistle. Let's have a look here. Okay. Go that way. There we go. That should just fucking push out now. That cunt's stuck. That fucking nail. What's going on? Thought you'd see it my way. Oh fuck, there goes a finger. Oh no. That's nasty. Lucky it wasn't that one. Yeah. That's it, it's still stuck. Fucking nail stuck. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh fuck, look at the size of that fucking nail here. Look at it. Fuck. That's huge. I didn't fuck around here. Quality. Okay, so that means we've got a couple of friends here still. 19-inch nails. There we go. Anyway, that's it for today's episode. We've done all the hard yards now. It's just about ready to go. So my assistant now, Chriso. Oh fuck, that doesn't look good. That's fucking stuck there. Actually, it's not that simple. Oh, there we go. Alright, so now what we've got to, this is where you need to exercise extreme caution. Right? Extreme. Now, what's going to happen is, Chriso, the cameraman, he's going to go out and video this fucker falling. So you hang on, we'll be back in a sec. This is the dangerous bit. A lot of you fuckheads would just fucking push it out. No. You got to make sure the site is clear underneath. There's no obstacles. Right? It's all about safety. Dotting the I's, crossing the T's. Right? Now, my trusty cameraman's there. He's going to give me the count. When he's clear, I'll push it. So, on the count of, what are we going on?
On the count of three?
Okay.
You push it and I'll support it.
Rightio. You're right.
1, 2.
Are you alright, mate?
Oh,
Oh, it's not that fucking heavy. Fuck, are you okay?
oh.
Jesus, you're
Lift it off.
Jesus, it's not
Lift
that
it off.
fucking heavy, you soft cunt. You soft cunt. Okay guys, hopefully you found this video helpful and insightful. It's not too fucking hard to do jobs, all you need is a bit of balls. We'll catch you next time when we fucking rebuild a load-bearing wall. Piece of piss, no dramas. Catch you later.